Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Story Drama Podcast. I'm Emma. I hope you're having a great day.
And I'm Liam. Welcome back, guys. We're happy you're here. Really, thank you for listening.
Today, we have a very fun and super simple English lesson for beginners.
Yes, today we talk about your daily routine. The things you do every day. Morning, afternoon, night. Easy English, simple verbs, clear vocabulary. And we'll make it fun.
Before we start, please hit like and subscribe. It helps us so much. Really. And if you want, comment your routine in English. Even if it's simple, we love reading it.
Okay, Emma, let's start with the morning. What is the first thing you do?
Well, the very first thing I do is wake up. Usually around 7:30. Sometimes 7:31. Ha, ha, ha. 1 minute makes a difference.
Ha ha ha, yes it does. I usually wake up at 6:45. I try to be a morning person, but I fail a lot.
Same here. After I wake up, I get out of bed. Sometimes slowly, very slowly.
Yes, that's me too. Then I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Classic morning things. After that, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Very simple. Coffee and toast. Sometimes yogurt if I feel fancy.
I usually make tea and eat a banana. Simple and easy.
After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose comfortable clothes because comfort first.
Same. Then I put on my shoes, grab my bag and leave the house.
Okay, Liam, what do you usually do during the day?
Well, at work I usually sit at my desk, use my computer and answer messages. Sometimes meetings. Too many meetings, haha.
I feel that. I also sit at my desk and work on my computer. I write things, send emails, organize tasks. Very office life. Haha.
Around 12 or 1 p.m., I have lunch. Nothing big, maybe pasta, rice, or a sandwich.
I usually bring lunch from home. Sometimes soup, sometimes salad. Sometimes cookies. Haha. Balance, right?
Haha. Yes, perfect balance.
After lunch, we go back to work until the afternoon. Routine, routine, routine.
Okay, now the best part of the day, going home. After work, I go home and relax.
Me too. I like to sit on the sofa, breathe, and do nothing for 5 minutes. Haha.
Haha, same. Then sometimes I watch TV or I cook dinner, usually something quick.
After dinner, I wash the dishes, not my favorite part. And then I read a book or listen to music.
I like to go for a short walk at night. Just 10 minutes. Helps me relax.
Nice. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and then I go to sleep around 11:30.
I go to bed a little earlier, around 11. I try to sleep more, but life, haha.
Let's review the important verbs from today.
Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Wash face. Make breakfast. Have breakfast. Get dressed. Leave the house.
Work, sit at a desk, answer emails, have lunch, go home, relax. Cook dinner, wash the dishes, read, go to bed.
Very simple, very useful, very everyday English. You can use them right now.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope your English got a little better. Even 1% is amazing.
Yes, practice a little every day, even 5 minutes. Small steps make big progress. Haha.
If you enjoyed the episode, please like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
We can't wait to read your answers. See you in the next episode.